Experiencing a Garmin device repeatedly restarting in your car? You're not alone. This frustrating issue usually stems from power instability, software glitches, or hardware faults. Garmin GPS devices require a steady 12-volt DC input. Dips or spikes in voltage, often from your car's alternator, especially in hybrid or electric vehicles, can trigger a reboot. Older firmware might struggle with multitasking, like updating maps while playing media, causing crashes. Faulty cables, corroded connectors, or internal hardware issues can also interrupt power, leading to restarts. The first step is to examine your Garmin's power source. Ensure the device is properly connected to your car's cigarette lighter or OBD2 port. Try a different power adapter or cable. A faulty adapter could be the culprit, providing inconsistent power. Clean the power port on both the Garmin and your car with isopropyl alcohol to remove any corrosion that might be hindering a stable connection. Make sure the mounting cradle is secure and functioning correctly, as a loose connection can cause intermittent power loss. Outdated firmware is a common cause of Garmin restarts. To fix this, connect your device to your computer using a USB cable. Then, open Garmin Express and check for available updates. The software will show if new firmware is ready. Click Install Now to download and install the latest firmware. This may take some time. Updating fixes power management bugs, improves stability, and addresses voltage issues. As of early 2026, firmware V8.9 or higher has significantly reduced restart problems. If updating the firmware doesn't resolve the issue, try a master reset. This will erase your personal settings and data, so back up any important information first. To perform a master reset, typically hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. This can clear out corrupted settings or data that might be causing the restarts. After the reset, restore your settings and data and test the device again. Garmin devices feature a safe mode that helps identify if a specific app or data file is causing the restarting issue. To access safe mode, consult your device's manual for the specific button combination, which is typically done during startup by pressing certain buttons simultaneously. If the device operates normally without restarts in safe mode, this indicates there's a software conflict from an app or data file. You can then troubleshoot by removing recently added apps or data to isolate and resolve the problem. Cold weather can significantly impact your Garmin device by affecting battery contacts and causing voltage instability, leading to frequent restarts during winter months. If you notice corrosion on battery terminals, as shown in this image, clean the contacts gently with isopropyl alcohol to remove oxidation and ensure a stable electrical connection. To prevent cold-related damage, consider storing your Garmin device indoors when temperatures drop extremely low, as this helps maintain battery performance. Some users have found success by gently warming up the device before using it in cold weather, which can help prevent the sudden restarts caused by temperature-related voltage fluctuations.